Thank you for choosing CCX mobile app by ConneXion. Welcome. In this tutorial, we will complete the CCX mobile app New User's Guide instructions, which will prepare you to collect with your iOS device. Step 1. Predetermine the following information and prepare a list. Collector's name, device ID. Remember, your device ID must be 3 digits, like 123 or AAA. An email address for the iOS device and collector. Step 2. Setting up an email account on the iOS device. Note, you may need to get additional information from your internet provider or your IT department to help you set up an email account. On the device, go to Settings. Locate and open the Mail folder. Select Accounts. Open Add an account. Select your email provider. Select Add Mail Account. Type in the email account information, name of collector, email address, password, description of the email account. Follow the instructions provided by your internet support provider to complete the setup. Step 3. Downloading the CCX mobile app. Locate and open the App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search field and type in ConneXion Mobile. Select the app by tapping on the download cloud. Wait for the download to finish. Tap on Open. Step 4. Opening the CCX mobile app. You will be presented with policy agreement screens. Tap on Allow to let CCX Mobile access your device. On the Privacy Policy screen, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Accept the policy agreement. The login screen will pop up. This is where you will need to stop and contact ConneXion for further instructions. You can reach us at 605-371-2998 or toll free at 877-787-2646 for additional instructions to log in and register your device.